How to make soda bread. This is a really simple recipe that's great to do with kids. You'll need plain flour, wholemeal flour, oats, sugar, bicarbonate of soda, natural yogurt, salt and some seeds. I'm using sesame, but you could use sunflower, linseeds, or you can leave them out if you prefer. You'll also need a baking tray and some greaseproof paper. Here's a list of all the ingredients with the amounts you need. Pause the video here if you like. Once you've weighed everything out, it's time to start. Heat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or gas mark 7. Stir all the ingredients except the yogurt together in a bowl. Add most of the yogurt and mix together. If it looks a little dry like mine does here, add the rest of the yogurt and mix again. Now time to get messy. Use your hands to bring the mixture together to form a soft dough. Knead the dough for a couple of minutes until smooth. You can do this in the bowl, or you can tip it out onto a floured surface and knead it there. When the dough feels smooth, shape it into a round loaf, like this. Put it on the baking tray and flatten slightly with your hand. Mark a deep cross on the top using a knife. Cut almost all the way to the bottom of the dough so the middle of the bread cooks all the way through. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And now for the hard part. Waiting and more waiting. The bread is ready when it looks like this. Leave it to cool, then cut into slices and enjoy with your favourite toppings.